This morning, we're discussing psychosis, which can strike young adults and cause someone to have difficulty perceiving the world around them accurately. In this week's Molly Minute, Fox 61 Sarah Cody is telling us about a new campaign aimed at providing immediate and effective help to those who need it.
It was kind of like a tsunami of these very abrasive feelings of depression, of anxiety, to the point where it was like immensely crippling.
A destructive relationship turned Matt Cherney's life upside down.
I felt like no one else was going through what I was going through, and that what I was going through wasn't relatable, and that it made me different in a very bad way.
But a new effort in Connecticut is trying to reach young adults like Cherney to provide care to those with psychotic problems as soon as possible. The campaign is called Mind Map.
There's a simple message, which is treatment works, and the earlier the better.
Mind Map is available to people in 10 towns, including Orange, Milford, and Branford, who can call a phone number and be connected to 2 years of free help at New Haven Step Clinic, where Dr. Vinod Srihari is the director.
If you believe that you have a friend or a relative, or you yourself might be experiencing symptoms of psychosis, the response is to direct you as quickly as possible to appropriate care.
It is building blocks. It's coping mechanisms. It's coping skills.
Mark Rabinowitz of Ridgefield, who has a son with schizophrenia, is advising parents to react quickly to symptoms in their children and move past any stigma associated with mental illness.
A visible illness or an invisible illness should not be treated differently. The way to do it is just to openly say, that person's going through a hard time, and it's okay.
Mind Map aims to show how common psychosis is.
It affects 1 to 3 out of every 100 people at some point in their lifetime.
Getting help early can keep a young adult in school and reduce risk of suicide.
Too many young people and those around them ignore the symptoms of psychosis and avoid getting the treatment they need.
I think for the vast majority of individuals with psychotic illnesses, treatment can mean a major impact on their ability to return to a normal life.
For me, just changing around my lifestyle, eating, exercising, I started running every single day. It's a good way to just release.
Cherney also went through 2 years in intense therapy and is now a senior at UConn, doing well, passionate about the theater. He wants everyone struggling to know help is out there.
It's definitely something that can be controlled. You just need to know what to do.
That's Mommy Minute. Sarah Cody, Fox 61 News.
Now, even if folks don't live in the 10 targeted towns, they can call Mind Map for help. Just log on to fox61.com/mommyminute for more information.